battery, a copper wire, a screw, and few objects of iron. So let's start the experiment. So first we need the screw and the copper wire. And we have to make multiple turns of this wire and wrap around this screw. So I have wrapped the copper wire around it. So now we have to take the battery and connect it with the positive and negative terminal of the battery, as you can see. So as you can see that we have to like this. Now we have to
create magnetic.
So this, it has created the magnet. Electromagnetic definition to kya? The magnet whose magnetic field is created when the electricity is flowing is called magnetic force. So this experiment worked.